Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have done a super quick tutorial on this clown look that I have created. I am showing you from the beginning of sculpting and then making the negative mold using UltraCal 30. Now this process, I am only learning myself how to do it, so I am not going to go into full in depth of how I've done it in the video because I'm still learning. I might not be doing it right. But success with my second mold take. This was the second because the first one I actually completely stuffed it up. So as you can see, I'm removing all the clay from both the negative and the positive that I've made. I'm going to attempt to encapsulate this face cast. I'm using platcil gel 10, flesh tone, deadener, ultra 40 for the release, and Vaseline for the release. Using baldies to encapsulate my prosthetic. But later on, as you see, I'm applying it, but I did not release it enough, or I didn't do enough layers of baldies because it just didn't work out for me. But yeah, using the mold strap to really squeeze it and hold it in, I'm pushing out all the silicone to make my first face prosthetic. In this video, this is the realization that I have a lot of unicorn things in my house for a 35-year-old. Not sorry at all. Now for this next bit, I learned this from a YouTuber called Badass Body Paint. I highly recommend you go check him out because I've learned a lot from him. Using 3 pieces of wood and a mold strap, this is how I remove my face cast from my negative molds. This one removed quite easily because I released the absolute crap out of it. But as you can see, the plastic out, the baldies did not stick to the silicone. So when I'm painting it with my alcohol paints, it's not sticking as much as I'd like because as I keep touching the prosthetic, it's wiping it away. But that's okay because I save it with covering it with a lot of blood when I apply it. Now to apply it using Prosthetic glue from Barnes. It is the best adhesive for prosthetics. And I stick it on. As you can see, the edge is real bad. It's not thin at all. I've literally just cut around the edge. I've kind of half-assed this job. But I am going to go in later with Smooth On Skin Tite. It is a part A and part B silicone adhesive. It's an appliance builder, so I can actually build it around the prosthetic to smooth out those edges. Now I'm just doing a bit of a paint job. As I said, the plastic cap did not stick to my prosthetic, so it's pretty hard to paint, but it's getting on there. Using Kryolan Fresh Scab Blood. This stuff's amazing. It actually just like really stays on there and it dries. It's not sticky and it has a really good effect afterwards. And it's really good to cover up the dodgy paint job I did. This tutorial was very much fast-tracked. I fast-tracked the paint job, pretty much covered the whole face in blood, which it turned out alright. Like if I saw this in the street, I'd probably shit my pants. But wait for it. At the end here, I'm going to show you guys how I added the Kryolan blood eye drops. Kryolan. I'm really excited to try this. It's eye blood. So pretty much blood red drops for your eyes. I didn't want to do this earlier because I freaked the fuck out when I put things in my eyes, so I didn't know how I was going to react. So let's just add more blood to hide all the really bad paint job I did. So yeah, let's try these eye drops out. I'm really nervous because I just hate things in my eyes, but Kryolan, I trust you. Didn't even come out. Huh? Try again. That's better. Holy balls. Yeah, that looks badass. Well, Kryolan. I love these. I'm going to be using these like daily. In Halloween anyway. Now, as painful as I'm making this look, it's actually not. It doesn't hurt your eyes. I'm just like in my freak out mode because I don't really put things in my eyes and I have like a phobia about it. But yeah, I highly recommend these eye drops. They really top off the look. And there you have it, guys, my clown look. Keep watching. The next video will be a traditional zombie. Bye.